Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm Convection, use of the news products on my right hands. For this one is accessory parts for the convection ovens for the standings. And let me give the overall dimensions first. For the connection base, it is about like 5.5 inches long. And the other side the same 5.5 inches long. And the entire length of this light include the bottom feet. It is almost about like a 26 and 1/4 inches for standard size. And actually for the bottom these parts, you can twist it to adjust the height for a little bit to making all the feet at the same height for the balance. And this is two looking the front and this two looking for the inside. So all four legs is a pair, and also manufacturer offer the screws and the metal gaskets. And this is all information about these products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.